Just buy 5,000 Pepe Coins if you want the most well-rounded and fastest growing portfolio you can imagine. What's up, guys? My name is Meme Coin Daily, and in this video we're going to be talking about the most volatile and best coin in the market. That's Pepe Coin. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so we can continue to grow. We need 3 more subscribers to hit 1,000. Now let's go look at the charts. Alright guys, we are going to look at a few things on CoinMarketCap before we actually look at the charts that I already have drawn up, and we're just going to be basically telling you how they almost fell into perfect play like I described a few videos ago actually. So as you can see right here, our market cap is down 3.2% in the past 24 hours, which is nothing crazy, nothing really too much to be worried about. We're down 2.55% in the past day as well. Nothing too bad either. The volume is at, up the volume is up 2.49%. I'm sorry, and we can see that we are in a overall downtrend just by looking at this. That's fine, because it's fell right into the area that I knew and I said it was going to fall into before we could probably see another huge turnaround. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. All right. So if you buy 5,000 Brets, like I said at the beginning of the video right now, you're in to make a lot of money. So look at this. What you're looking at right now is the TradingView candlesticks on a daily time frame. So that means every day one of these candlesticks will form. What I have already is pre-drawn out lines of supply and demand and support and resistance. And I even have a trend line that is currently being broken, and that's okay, because look where we are at right now in the market. All right, so you can see right here, which I already have an arrow, you can see right here, this is a very key area in the market for us if we're looking to invest our coins. Right now is the key optimal time. You're not going to get a better chance to put your money in this coin before this thing actually takes off. And I'm not kidding you. I'm not one of these YouTube gurus that's going to lie to you. I'm telling you, I'm trying to give you the best entry, because your only other hope, which doesn't really look like it's going to play out for you if you wait, is to wait for the price to come down. To right here. It's not looking like it's going to be a solid plan, because if you try to wait until it comes down here and it never does, and it takes off like I'm thinking it's due from this area, you just missed out on a 10x, 20x play if you would have just listened to that random guy on YouTube. Sounds sketchy, but I'm telling you, it's in the best place to buy for the cheapest right now, because these areas are areas where we see price jolt. What I mean by jolt is huge pumps in one direction or the other, because these are supply and demand areas. These is where whales sit at with their huge piles of money waiting to put it all in the market or take it all out of the market. For example, right here, bunch of whales sitting in the market waiting to just sell off right here. And look what happened. Huge drop. That's what we seen right there. Right here, huge drop. Whale sitting right here. Come back again. Did a minor drop right here. Then we finally busted through. These are very key areas in the market that you need to be aware of if you're going to make a lot of money in the bull season. People are very skeptical, thinking that the bull season is coming to an end, or, is almost already over essentially. But I'm telling you, it is not over. There are still squeezes to be made from these very popular meme coins such as Pepe. Now, as far as going forward, we want to see this coin kind of react like it's doing right here. You can see wicks, bullish candle, more wicks. This is letting us know that there is a dying selling momentum right now. That means a lot of people are starting to turn their bias towards the upside. This means, everybody's selling their coins off. This means there's a momentum shift in the market, and it's a kind of indecisive shift. Whenever you see a bunch of just sideways movement, that's just a bunch of indecisive minds not knowing where to go with their money. But as you can see, it's starting to kind of turn around a little bit with this bullish candle. We can expect in the next couple of days, maybe like a couple day or two, to hang around this area. I don't think it's going to just rocket off out of nowhere. I do think we're going to hang out here for maybe another day or two. And then once we hit that perfect rocket, when it's perfect time to go, we will see some uptrend market structure starting to form before we actually try to retest this area again and see if we can actually push for all-time highs with the coin. I think we do have a better chance because since this has went down, we have seen a lot of speculation, but we have had a lot of news around this coin as well, building credibility, working with Binance, one of the best and biggest crypto exchange markets in the world. So there has been a lot of positive to come out of this coin in this small little downtrend. So if you want to get the optimal entry, you want to draw a trend line right here at the very top where it started, connect it. You're going to connect it. You want to wait. As soon as it breaks above this line, that's when you put all your 5,000 Pepe coins in the market. If we break through this, we could see a huge pump, such as something this size, You always want to base your next big move off the historical moves. It's not always accurate, but it's the best way to build a somewhat of an accurate prediction, because it could pump, 100% in one day, but it's not likely. What is likely is something that has happened in the past to re-happen again. So that's how we know what's a good chance this coin could pump a certain amount. So that is basically my thoughts on Pepe at the moment. And like I said at the beginning, buy 5,000 Pepe coin right now. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Deuces.